Using anti-aging creams on face is not just enough. As we age, our body's skin also starts becoming dry, and fine lines and wrinkles starts appearing on skin, and for that your daily moisturizing lotion isn't enough. Our body's skin also needs to be taken care of as much as our facial skin. So my today's recipe is about a DIY aging body lotion that will reduce the signs of aging and moisturize your skin too. Today's video will discuss how to make anti-aging cocoa butter body lotion at home. DIY anti-aging cocoa butter body lotion. Ingredients: 1. Raw cocoa butter 4 tablespoon. 2. Rose water 2 to 3 tablespoon. 3. Glycerin 1 teaspoon. 4. Carrot seed oil ½ teaspoon. How to use: in a blender take 4 tablespoon raw cocoa butter, 2 to 3 tablespoon rose water, 1 teaspoon glycerin, ½ teaspoon of carrot seed oil and blend them well. Now store this lotion in a pump attached bottle. After taking shower, massage this body lotion on all over your body. Benefits: cocoa butter contains antioxidant and fatty acids that creates a barrier and protects skin from moisture loss. It fights free radicals, improves skin elasticity and delays aging. Glycerin hydrates skin by absorbing water from air. It makes skin soft, smooth and supple. Rose water revitalizes, nourishes, tones and soothes skin. Carrot seed oil helps repair skin damage, strengthens skin and prevents sagging. Are you going to try this? Let me know in the comment section below.